Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. So guys, in this video today, I am going to provide you a success mantra for the upcoming GATE exam. So if you were preparing for the GATE exam since a long time, or even if you have just recently started your preparation, if you have completed all subjects preparation, or if you have completed some particular subjects preparation till now, you can watch this video till the end because you will get to know about something very important which will help you to score good marks in the exam and even to maintain good rank in the exam. I hope it is gonna be a video which will be helpful for all of you guys just one day before your exam. Now, if I'm going to talk about all these important things, so how you can just consider everything you have prepared till now, how you need to just apply the knowledge you have gained till now. Okay, so everything I will consider, and most of you were asking for a motivational video, so here is one in which you may get some motivation, you may get to know about some of the important points. Now let's quickly start the discussion about it, okay, so that we will not have this video as like a lengthy one. So the success mantra I was talking about, let's just have a look at this equation I have written here and then I'm going to talk about it. So basically guys, what you need to do, something I have just mentioned in the form of equation here. See, the preparation which you have already completed till now, okay, that is something you are gonna have with you. Clear? The second thing, the confidence you should have, like when you are going for the exam, when you are just going to attempt the questions in the exam, if there is a question based on which like the preparation you have already done, you have prepared that particular topic, so have confidence in you. And why it is important, I will let you know, I will describe the things too. Okay, the third one is the motivation, because sometimes we are gonna have doubt, okay, on some of the things, even we know them, even we are correct at those places, but we are not confident about those things. So why it is so? Where is that motivation that you can do it? And when we are gonna have some of the questions in the exam which are difficult one, which are gonna be like quite a difficult level, okay, as per our preparation, then we just start considering the things in this manner that the complete question paper is difficult, while there are many other questions you will have in the question paper. So don't just depend on the few questions which you are finding difficult, okay. So motivation will be required there. How it will work, I'm gonna tell you. How you will have that motivation, we will talk about that too. Just wait. Okay, the next point is management. How management will play its role and why it is important. And along with all these things, if you are gonna carry the best preparation, confidence, motivation, and you will manage the things well, then that will give you success. That means that will help you to score good marks in the exam as well as to have or to get the good rank too. Clear? Now the point is, guys, see what you need to do, because at this point of time, like I was getting most of the comments regarding this thing, that when we go to the exam hall, or all the motivation we are gonna have during the class, when we talk about the things, we just get motivated, but when we reach to that exam center, everything is gonna go like whatever we have considered till now, okay. So most of the students were keep on telling me what is the situation with them. So here I hope you are gonna get the solution about all those things. Guys, see, the preparation which you could do or which you have planned to complete till your exam, I hope most of you have completed that part. If yes, that's very good. If no, the part of the preparation you have completed till now, try to make it something like you can call it superpower for yourself. Done? Because in the exam, it's not only about one particular formula which will help you to solve one question. Maybe there can be 4 other different ways of solving that question, and how you will be able to relate it. If you will have that confidence, if you will believe in yourself that you can do it, clear, then only it will be possible for you to relate even the different approach, the different ways of solving one single question. So have confidence on yourself and in your preparation you have done. What about the motivation level? See, you will have two choices. The first one is either you can get nervous, which most of the times students are gonna be, okay, before their exam. Even they have devoted so much time, they were so much dedicated for their preparation till now, but before the exam, just if we are gonna talk about one day before, on the exam day, they are gonna be so much nervous that even when they have prepared so many topics, so many concepts, they have solved so many questions, still they are not confident about their preparation. Clear? So guys, don't do that. You are having two choices, okay, out of which you can select one. Either give space to that nervousness, okay, in your mind or with yourself, or give the space to the motivation. And what these two things will do, the nervousness or the panic situation will just give you a call like that, okay, it is difficult and it's like a difficult thing to get the answer for the question. Clear? It is not motivating you at that time. But if you are motivated, that second thing is gonna help you and will give you a call that, okay, you can do it, and just try, it will be possible for you. At that point of time when you are motivated, you will be relaxed too, okay, and it will be possible for you to even solve the difficult questions easily. So try to be relaxed as well as try to stay motivated. The one who is going to get or score good marks and gonna have the rank 1 in the exam, he or she is also like you. They are not different. They are not someone who has prepared some other concepts. They are even gonna prepare the same things you have prepared, okay. So just have the confidence with you, just stay motivated, because there is nothing else you can do at this point of time, okay. Already your preparation you have done, yeah, one day is there, so you can do the revision 1 or 2 more times the topics you have completed till now, okay. And don't let what others are saying, what your friends are talking about, if you are not finding their statements, their like whatever things they are talking about, if you are not finding those things good for you, if you are not feeling like these things are gonna have good impact or effect on you, don't let these things affect you, okay. Just leave it at the same time and at the same place. Don't carry those like thoughts or these kind of talks with you, okay, because it will not be good for you. Next point, the management. Now whatever you are gonna have with you, whether the preparation you have done, the confidence you will have, the motivation you will have, okay, I have told you the role of motivation. It will help you even to solve the difficult questions, the confidence plus motivation, okay. Now the management part. Manage your time, manage the preparation you have done, the knowledge you are gonna have in such a way that wherever possible, even if you are solving any question for the first time, you should be able to consider or get those concepts, if they are related to a particular question, apply them there. And it will be possible for you when you will be relaxed and you will think like, okay, I have given my 100%, now whatever will be the situation, let's see, okay. But give your 100% during the exam time too, because that time will not come back, the same time, the same exam. So try to just give your 100%. Instead of thinking about the result, think about the time you are gonna have at that moment, okay, the questions you are solving at that moment. Because if you will do them right, if you will just focus on that part at that moment, you may be able to solve more number of questions. Along with this management part, guys, time management will be very important. Avoid the negative marking thing, okay, and you are all set and ready for your exam. So just believe in yourself and in your preparation. Even if you have prepared so much, it's good. If you have prepared this much, you can even make it your superpower, okay, and it will be possible for you to use the things well and at the right place and to solve more number of questions. So you can do it. Just believe in yourself. That is what is required. And if you will be able to manage these 4 things together, the success is waiting for you. Your best results are gonna wait for you. Clear? So all the best, everyone, okay. And yeah, just do the revision. If you are having some time remaining, get ready with all the things you need to take to the exam center. Read the instructions given on the admit card, okay. If you need to carry or take some identity card along with the admit card part, Okay, just keep it there too. Read all the other instructions as well, the photo or anything else has been required, so that if everything will be ready with you, you will be relaxed in that way too, that everything is with you, you don't need to search for anything else. Clear? And reach to the exam center before the time, that's very important. Now, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Even if your friends are preparing for the exam, you can share the video with them too. I hope it's gonna be helpful for you guys. Just believe in yourself. You may not have somebody there at the exam center with you, okay, who will keep on telling you that you can do it, but just have a belief in yourself and you can do it. Okay, if somebody else can, you can. Clear? There is nothing different. There is nothing like they are gonna have some magic and they are gonna do it with some other powers. No, everything even you are gonna have with you. Okay, the basics, you know, the basic knowledge about physics or any concepts, you know, they can help you to solve the questions too. Give the equal importance to the general aptitude part as well. The reasoning will be there, which is easy to solve sometimes. Okay, so yeah, you all can do it. Just have a look at some more information I'm gonna share here. So guys, as you all know that we will have our CSIR NET exam after few months. So if you are the one who is going to start the preparation for the next GATE exam or the CSIR NET exam, on Unacademy Plus we are gonna have our like so many plus courses starting in this month. So if you want to attend the sessions of all these courses from the starting and you don't want to miss the sessions, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, and whenever you are gonna take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it, and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. With the guidance of top educators, as well as with all their well structured and well planned courses, you will be able to prepare very well for your upcoming exams. Also guys, all the guidance you will get by the top educators, the strategy you will get to know, okay, the discussion they will do in their courses, you will be able to take your preparation to the next level. So all these things together will help you a lot to prepare very well for the exam. And this is even another benefit you can get, that you can use and apply the referral code and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Even there is Unacademy Iconic subscription. If somebody will take the Unacademy Iconic subscription, they will get all these benefits as I have shown them here on the screen. Okay, so all these benefits are like together you will get. Even the benefits of the Plus subscription will be included in the Iconic subscription, which will help you to prepare very well. And the rest of the benefits are even there, which can help you to get ready for the interview, to write the SOP, as well as to know about many important things, okay, which will help you later on as well. So this is how, even if you are going to take the Iconic subscription or the Plus subscription, you can use the referral code too. Okay, and if you want to check out the courses, the courses structures, as well as if you want to check out the timing of the sessions and all by the top educators, you can check the Unacademy Learning app, all these important courses. Clear? And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, that is Mission NET Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Also click on the bell icon to get the notification for the new videos I will upload on this channel, that is Mission NET Physics Exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end, and all the best for your exam. Thank you.